Hey guys, it's Kevin. Unless you have a problem after you convert your ET-8050 to a Nipple, either your printer doesn't start anymore or display a printhead error. Today we got this one. I already took it off and did some analysis. So he did conversion, also waterproof it. You can see all the glue there. When I took it off, the first thing I noticed is the 4 screws pretty loose. Just remember when you take the screw off, how tight it was. So when you put it back, you have to tighten it. And also I've seen people missing this piece, okay, this rubber piece. Basically, this with this rubber piece make a watertight seal. So if you do not make a watertight seal, things gonna happen. I'm making a better seal. Look at this. Okay, much better than Epson's. I'm gonna list on my website whenever I have a chance. And so I always use mine to replace Epson's. The Epson seal is really hard. Okay, so if you do not want to replace the gasket, make sure you screw tight. Okay, make sure it's tight, waterproof. You waterproof this, and then you get the ink inside. Okay, whenever you print, it's gonna leak. Okay, let's take a closer look of this one I received. Dry ink leak everywhere. So when the customer tried getting into the printer and either do a cleaning or he's doing the printing, the ink is leaking into the electronic components inside. So screw it as hard as you can. Otherwise, you see, when your glue is dry, you have to take it off and then clean the inside. It seems this customer know what's happening. I think the customer wipe it so hard. See here, he's missing a resistor. And so he wiped it so hard. Actually, he wiped off the components on the printhead. So my theory is he didn't tighten it up, and he's printing blank pages, of course. And then he think it must be clogged. So he pushed whole syringe of liquid inside. And he found the liquid come out from everywhere. And then he opened it up and wipe it clean. He think he wipe it clean. I don't know what he used to wipe it. Sandpaper. And took a couple components. Say there's another resistor there, or maybe capacitor. And then he screwed it back. Even the second time, I feel that screw is loose. It's not tight enough. Okay, let's see how many things missing. I'll put a good one on the left and his board on the right. And okay, so I'll let you find it. This one right here is missing. And here, okay, right here, this second resistor is missing. And then there's a capacitor missing from the other side. And surprisingly, this printhead is not burned. We already did an electronic analysis and everything's good. So we're going to replace and install all the missing components, and then we're going to clean up and take a spin, see how good this printhead can behave. Oh, don't throw your old printheads away. Just send to us for repair, and maybe we can save it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally. We're in Spro, North Carolina. Cheers.